Okay, we're going to the train station today now. Checking out. So let's go. We'll see you at the train station. Okay, we reached the train station now. It took us about 45 minutes. Thank you, sir. It's a cute little train station right here. This is our first time at this train station. I've never been here before. And right next to it is the Don Mueang International Airport. Chiang Mai. This is commuter train to the long distance train ticket office on the other side. Okay. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, we'll ask him, Jim. Yeah, can you show him this ticket? And then ask him if they're at the right station. Third floor. It's finally time for our train. We probably need to show our tickets here. Yep. Yep, this is it. $6.57.
About 6:40, about 7 minutes.
Okay. We wait here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We have another 7 minutes to wait before they open the gate, I guess. Look at that beautiful sunset. We go. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Train number 9 to Chiang Mai.
Train number 9 to Chiang Mai. We're going this way, I guess. Right there is Don Mueang International Airport. Not too far away. Actually next to the train station. Not too far away. Look at Bangkok after sunset. It's beautiful, the crimson line. Well, it looks like our train is finally here. It is. The local time here is 6:56. And the train is supposed to leave at 6:57, so obviously it's not going to happen anymore. There it is. There it is. Train 9. That's car number 2. 4 is right here. Oh, no, that's 2. Okay, car number 4 right here. Car number 4 right here. What seat numbers do we have? Jim, make sure watch your steps. Thank you. Angela, watch your steps. I don't know. Okay, mine is 4. I think it's right here. I think it's right there. Mine is 9.
3, Mr. 3.
Number 3. I think it's way down there. Well, let's go down there. I think so. Probably the last one. These two, right?
These 2,
Yeah.
39 and 40. But they're not so many of them, then we can ask them to. Yeah, so they're
So what number do we have? What's my
39
number?
and 40, and then the other one.
What number?
Yes, number 3.
Car number 4, number 3. Okay, hold on. Let me go take a look. We're finally situated, right, sister?
Yes, we are finally situated. We were able to exchange the seat. We initially had seat number 3, which is all the way down, and 39 and 40. So a gentleman came nice enough. He was able to go down to number 3, and now we have 33, which is
This one right
here,
there.
where we have 2 backpacks.
Yep.
So we
That's
can
nice.
enjoy
So we have
our
all of
meal.
us. So there's one bed up here, and this 2 seats turns into a bed right here. These 2 seats, and then that seat, that's the bed right there up
And
here.
they'll pull it down.
So, yeah, it's
but when-
kinda nice.
When they come in
Yeah.
to set up the bed, then we'll show you exactly how it's done.
Yes. So we're all good to go. So this is train number 9, Special Express from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. It left at 7:02. So, and then I think it will reach Chiang Mai at 7:15 in the morning. We'll see. So that's a small restaurant right there. So what's the verdict, Jim and Chajula, on the fried rice?
I need another bite since I put my lemon in here.
Yeah.
Well, this is so yummy and unbelievable. We paid only 50 baht for this one. It's just delicious.
That is amazing.
Wait, no.
What do you say?
Out of 10, I give it a 7.
Oh, not
But for the
bad.
price, I give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, what would
about
you
you?
give? What would you give?
I would just say 10-10.
Really?
10 out of 10. Because
Yeah.
this is,
You know, me too. I would probably say 10 out of 10 too.
Yeah.
Because it's not only the taste, but also the price. It's just incredible for like
and
50
this
baht.
is better.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't really complain at all. For 50 baht, it has to be a 10 out of 10 for the taste and the
Oh, so good.
price together. All right, let's finish this up.
So good.
They actually give you a blanket. How thick the blanket is. is finally made. There it is. And here is my little cocoon for the night. Let's see. There it is. A glimpse from the balcony. And let's see, another glimpse towards the end. All right, it is local time 8:34. It's time to sleep. Good night. Good morning. It is now 5:26 a.m. and we have about almost 2 hours to go if the train is in schedule. I don't know if it's on schedule or not, but if it's on schedule, then we should reach Chiang Mai at about 7:15. I slept pretty well, so no problems at all. Not sure if my sister and Chiangmai is awake. Okay, she's still asleep, so I'm not going to bother her. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, now most of the people are asleep still. Most of the people are still asleep, so I'm not going to bother any of them. That's have been folded and put on the floor. Arrival time to Chiang Mai on the ticket says 7:15, and it is 7:15 right now, and we are in Chiang Mai, right on the dot. Però tiene come c'è un stato giusto c'è It's incredible. Is it our time is 7:15? And here we are at 7:15 in Chiang Mai. Yeah. Welcome to Chiang Mai. It's way cooler up here, right, Chinjula? You can feel it? Yeah? Welcome to northern Thailand. Sira doa chimpet. Bangkok lina kasi namju thokana ma tunu korana saru chido. Dela ma tena kyange ru chido. It's a very small train station.